my name is Nova. Today I'm going to be baking mazarine, and it's not really a how to bake, it's more going to be like a bake with me kind of thing, because I was thinking about doing a how to bake, but I feel like that's more formal. I don't really want it to be formal. I have my recipe here. So this is actually like a Swedish thing to bake, or fika, and so I have my recipe here, and the first step is to get all of the ingredients. Now that I have all the ingredients set up, I'm going to kind of separate them out, because part of the ingredients are for the filling and the other part of, I guess, like the outer pie layer. I don't really know what to call it, but this is, since this is a Swedish recipe, they're calling it a mazarine. I don't really know how to translate that to English. Now I'm going to mix in the flour and the potato starch, the sugar, and the butter together. I was thinking that this video was going to be kind of me talking, I don't know. See how that's 2, I think. So let's have 3. You're already making a mess. Is that like 3/4? Maybe a little bit more. Probably a little bit too much. Now that I have all the ingredients in here, it looks kind of like that. Now I'm just gonna like get it all together. Before, in this video, I really want to like talk. I'm gonna start by talking about the upload schedule. The plan is to upload whenever I finish the video. Right now, I'm working my finals week video. It's taking quite a while, but I'm excited to get that up. I posted on my YouTube discussion tab. Monday I wasn't able to get my finals week video up, and so I'm gonna start posting videos whenever I finish videos. So this way, I think I could work a lot more, like a lot harder on my videos, because then I don't feel like I need to like have them up by a specific day. I edit obviously like most days. It's try to get some editing in every day, but then don't get it finished by like Sunday night. Then I know that I'm not gonna be able to get it done on Monday. I don't want to like stress to get it done, because I still want it to be good quality. I don't want to feel like I have to like finish it not to the best of my ability. I can get it up on my on the required. Okay, I feel like I'm just gonna start doing it whenever I am done with a specific. I'm not gonna be like very good for like growth and all that, but I feel like my videos are getting better, and that's what I care about. I also feel like I might be able to like post videos more, if that makes sense at all. Also, another thing, I posted my first post on Instagram. Also, want to start posting on TikTok, because I have an idea for it. I'm kind of trying to like extend. If you didn't watch one of my recent videos, then you wouldn't know I had like switched my editing software. It was like a free trial, and so the free trials, I think it's like 15 more days. And in that video, I kind of explained the whole reasoning behind that, so you can watch that. It was really just like me trying to update an editing software, and then the update wasn't working, so then I tried a different software which wasn't really working, and then going back to the other editing software, so like the non-updated version, that wasn't working either, so then I had to switch to a different one. And it was like a free trial, and I've already decided that I don't want to use it, and it's crashing so many times. That could be part of why this finals week video isn't taking so long to get up, but I'm almost done with it. So what happened here? Video, I have this other editing software that I want to try. The trial of this one I'm using now isn't over yet, but I've already decided I don't want to pay for it. I already have an idea. I'm really excited to try it. It does look like I might have to pay to like remove a watermark, so I guess that if I like it when I edit with like, the first video on it, then I guess I'll pay for it already then. My arms have to like... making a mess, okay. This is looking pretty good. I'm just gonna make the one big ball out of it. Yeah, I have to put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. might not do that. Let me ask my mom. Mamma! Måste jag sätta den i kylskåpet för 30 minuter? Tycker du att jag ska det? Ska vi typ ha lunch emellan eller? Difficult, definitely more difficult than it needed to be, even though I knew that was gonna happen essentially. But I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator. Curious as to what I had. This, or like what I had. We just had like leftovers. Now I just took this out of the refrigerator, and it is basically time to put in the little molds now and then do the filling part. They actually say that should be the filling for that, but I'm just gonna do it this way. And we decided that I'm gonna do the filling. And then so we get those ingredients. So I have my ingredients, and we are supposed to use like a, I don't know what it's called in English. I want to like, what's it called? I don't know. This is what I was trying to say before. I'm going to be using this to like cut it. I don't know what the word is. Like, what's the word? What's it called? I don't know. In English, I don't know what it's called. In Swedish, it's called, I'm going to like, oh my gosh, I don't know what it's called, okay? Now that I'm done with that part, I'm going to work on mixing in everything else in it. And I think I'm going to use this mixing bowl. But even though it's like definitely gonna be a little bit too small. Actually, should I switch? I probably should, but I'll mix my dishes. I'll just see if it works. If it doesn't work, then I'll switch. And I also have getting at 1:50 for school. Always asynchronous normally, but with the new schedule, they've given us community meeting and advisory. So I have an advisory. I talked to my mom and she said that I shouldn't use my hands. I don't know why I decided to start using my hands. I'm gonna start using the electric mixer instead. I'm done with the mixing. Kind of how it looks. It's all red or blue, pink, whatever you want to call it. Also, Zoe's playing her instrument, so that's what you're hearing in the background. But 8 minutes now until my meeting starts, my advisory meeting. I'm not gonna be able to like it, but I think I might like put like a little baking sheet. I'm going to be working on filling these. Okay, so I ran into a problem. This was a big chunk, now several different, and I can't put it together because it's all in the refrigerator. this into the molds, different like parts of them. Now I just have to like shape them into the mold, but really hard because it's falling apart completely. So I'm reading this book and it's called Solo and Octopus. It is so good. It's about a lady, she like visiting aquarium plus and she became designated octopus observer or something like that. I don't really know. I recommend you reading it. I don't want to spoil anything. That's why I'm not really talking that much about it. Basically, it has inspired me. I'm really into the ocean, so it inspired me to like work at the aquarium. Like our interns or like volunteers. So I searched for that. And when I turn 16, I can work at the aquarium. And I'm like looking so much forward to that for some reason. I just think it'd be so fun because I was like really into the ocean stuff. And like when I grow up, I'm a marine veterinarian. Like I actually joined the Marine Conservation Club Google Classroom today. I'm just like really excited to turn 16, so I literally work at the aquarium. Okay, now I'm gonna do like an Instagram story about like things that you guys ask me for this, but I mean people barely ever answer on that anyway for me because I only have 32 followers. The only thing I was planning on talking about was like my video ideas. Videos I want to film. Like people do a lot of like morning, night routines and skincare routines, so I do some of those. When we are allowed to start traveling, I really planned the whole thing out. Not really, but like I thought how I want to film it. So when we are allowed to travel again, I am going to film packing, being at the airport and like boarding the playlist on the plane. I'm gonna edit that video the whole time, get it done and stuff. Upload it. It's getting all made up so much. I don't know why. The weather's nice out today. Is good, I guess. I think I've already talked about this, but I'm definitely gonna have to get used to the schedule quite a bit because it's definitely changed a lot since from first semester. This is our first day of second semester, so expect that. Our schedule that we had wasn't really required that our state had for like how much time we have to spend on Zoom. I don't really know what that requirement was, and I don't know what we were at, but I think I'm actually supposed to pick up books or something from school. I'm supposed to do that, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to do that today. So, well, we've almost been on remote school since March last year, and it's February now, and it's February 10th to be specific. And on March 1st, we could choose if we want to go in person or not. Totally, I'm gonna go in person on March 1st. It's gonna almost be a full year, which is insane. And I've heard that we might just be on Zoom in person. If that's how it is for me, then no. I am planning on vlogging my first day of in-person school. I don't know how much I'll be able to like vlog at school. I'll just like do the best that I can. We're only going to be in person for half the days, so this is how it looks without the phone. Enjoyed this video. My family wants me to also make macaroons, so maybe I'll make like a baking series kind of thing. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what other videos you want to see from me. Follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in my next video.